Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The safety of a vessel at berth depends entirely on the holding power of its mooring winches, and the most critical component of that system is the brake, which is why regular brake carrying capacity testing is a mandatory requirement for every professional mariner. This test ensures that the winch brake will hold the mooring line up to a specific percentage of the line's minimum braking load, usually 60%, before the brake begins to slip. This intentional slippage is a safety feature designed to prevent the mooring line from snapping, which could result in a catastrophic snap-back accident. To perform the test, a specialized hydraulic jack and a torque kit are used to apply a calculated force to the winch drum while the brake is fully tightened. The first step involves calculating the specific hydraulic pressure required for your particular winch based on the drum diameter and the rated braking strength of the mooring lines currently in use. Once the equipment is set up, the hydraulic jack applies pressure against a fixed point on the winch frame, and the operator carefully monitors the gauge to see at what point the drum begins to rotate. If the drum slips before reaching the required pressure, the brake lining must be inspected for wear, grease, or glazing, and the brake linkage must be adjusted to increase the clamping force. It is common to find that oil or moisture has contaminated the brake pads, which significantly reduces their friction and holding power. During the inspection, the crew should also look for signs of thinning on the brake linings, because most manufacturers require replacement once the material has worn down to a certain thickness. The testing process also validates the integrity of the manual tightening mechanism, ensuring that the handwheel and threaded spindle are moving freely and applying even pressure across the entire surface of the brake band. Every test must be meticulously documented in the ship's maintenance log, including the date, the pressure achieved, and the condition of the hardware. This documentation is often a key point of inspection during port state control and oil major audits, as it proves the vessel can safely remain alongside in heavy weather or strong currents. Failure to maintain these brakes can lead to a ship breaking away from the pier, causing massive damage to the hull and port infrastructure. By conducting these tests annually or after any major maintenance, the crew ensures that the winch acts as a reliable fuse in the mooring system, holding firm when needed, but slipping safely before a line reaches its breaking point. This technical procedure is a fundamental aspect of deck maintenance that bridges the gap between mechanical engineering and operational safety on the high seas. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.